Happy Monday, everybody! Today, we'll be making some spaghetti and homemade tomato sauce.
Remember to wash your hands before cooking anything. For the sauce, add 1 can of sliced tomatoes, 1 onion, halved, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Set stove to medium-high for 8 to 10 minutes. Then lower heat and let simmer for 45 minutes while stirring occasionally. While it's simmering, start on your pasta. First, cook up your spaghetti. Fill your pot about 1/4 to halfway full with water, turn on to medium heat, and set the timer for 8 minutes. To speed up the boiling process, add a couple pinches of salt. Let it sit for that 8 minutes and check on it every now and then. The water should look similar to this before putting the pasta noodles in. Mix the pasta every few minutes until fully cooked. Time varies for different kinds of pastas. Take the cooked pasta off the stove, put it in a strainer, and wash it with cool water. Now you can have your delicious homemade lunch or dinner. I also added Parmesan cheese and some red peppers.
Hope you enjoyed!